Hi there. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate using my DFRobot Unihiker as a humidity control unit. It's as simple as setting a set value and having it turn on over here. But I can also control it via an override button to turn it off or to turn back on the set point. Let's set the value of humidity a little bit lower to turn it off while we discuss this, as we don't want to fill that chamber up too much. Speaking of which, why don't we go into detail about why it works. The first thing here is my DFRobot Unihiker, and as you can see, I have a light sensor on it determining if it should turn on these LEDs set up as an LED ring on this stand that I printed. The stand has a little back part to allow the device to rest on it while it's sitting here. In addition to that, it has a little slot beneath to allow the microbit connector to kind of fit in there and hold it in place. I have on the screen itself this set button to go down or up for the humidity, the two buttons here again to go on or off on the side, and then the device level temperature and humidity determined by the SHT31. On the Xiao side, ooh, look at that humidity, it really jumped up here. I have the automatizer over there that is connected via level shifting and then connected back over here via a groove cable to one of the pins to allow me to give it 5 volts, which is the logic level needed for the automatizer. I also have a 1-wire temperature and humidity sensor connected, and I have the I2C display here, the 4-digit display. And I'm using ESPHome for this, so it's all controlled via that, and it's very easy to then see anywhere in your home the humidity and temperature of the room that it's running in. I can also manually control it in addition to, oh, actually, I can't manually control it as long as this is on. And the reason for that is this is trying to set it back off because I've already reached that humidity. So let me turn it off. And when I've turned off the control unit, I now should be able to manually handle it. There we go. But if I go ahead and turn this back on, it immediately turned off because that set point. Pretty cool. It works rather well. Again, I would put an enclosure around your devices to keep them safe from the humidity. But as a control unit and as a neat way to access ESPHome devices and control them, this works as a pretty neat little starter project, and I hope that you enjoyed it.